Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to flash Tesmota firmware on ESP8266 board. Tesmota is an open source custom firmware that runs on any ESP8266 device. It gives users local control of their devices through MQTT, HTTP, serial or web UI. You can use Tesmota to automate things using timers, rules or scripts. So the complete step-by-step guide for installing Tesmota on ESP8266 is given at the link in the video description. So first follow these steps, and once you finished flashing the firmware, connect your Tesmota to Wi-Fi and then use ESP8266 Wi-Fi IP address to access the Tesmota UI. So this is the default UI, and here I have added a toggle switch to turn on and off an LED, and I am also reading the DHT11 sensor data, that is temperature, humidity and dew point. Now to add this toggle switch and these readings, we have to configure our module. For that, first go to configuration, then configure module, and here by default the module will be generic 0 or Sonoff basic 1. So you have to change this to generic 18, that is the board type for all the ESP8266 device. Now here on GPIO 2 I have selected PWM to control my LED, and on GPIO 0 I have connected DHT11 sensor to read the DHT sensor data. Once you finish this, just save this and go to main menu. Here that ESP8266 will reboot. So once it restarts, it will show your toggle switch and the readings on the web UI. Now you can use this toggle switch here to turn on and off the LED. So you can even change the LED brightness by moving this slider. Now in next step we are going to integrate Tesmota with Home Assistant. So for that we have to configure MQTT on both sides, that is Tesmota side and Home Assistant side. So first go to your Home Assistant web UI, and from there just go to Supervisor tab, then go to Add-on Store, and here search for Mosquito Broker. Open it and install it. I have already installed it. So once you finished installing, just start this add-on. So this is all on Home Assistant side. Now go to Tesmota and then click on configuration, then configure MQTT, and here you have to enter the host IP address, that is Home Assistant's IP address, then the port number. By default the port will be 1883, and after that enter the MQTT username and password. So the username and password should be same on both the Home Assistant side and Tesmota side to establish communication. Now below enter the topic that you are going to publish or subscribe. After that save the changes. Then go to main menu. Okay, so you have configured MQTT. After this we have to turn on the discovery mode, so Home Assistant automatically found our device over MQTT. For that go to the console, and here enter the command set option 19 on. So after turning on the discovery mode, your Tesmota console will look like this. After that go to main menu, and then go to Home Assistant, and here go to configuration, then integration, and here you will find your Tesmota device. Now click here and you will find all the entities here, that is dew point, humidity, temperature, and the switch to turn on and off the LED. You can even add these entities to your Home Assistant overview. For that, go to edit dashboard and then add card, and from here go to entities and select the entities that you want to show on your Tesmota, on your Home Assistant web UI. So this is how you can integrate Tesmota with Home Assistant. So the complete step-by-step guide for flashing Tesmota on ESP8266 and then integrating it with Home Assistant can be found at the link in the video description. Thanks for watching the video.